Here's how to fix this account already exists on your Android device. Now, if you're getting a message that looks like this when you try to log in, it says this account already exists on your device. The first thing we're going to do is hop out of here and open up your settings. So swipe up and tap on settings. Let me scroll up a bit. From here, we're going to scroll down until you get to the option that says accounts and backup and tap on that. And then at the very top, let's tap on Manage Accounts. You're going to look for that Google account that you just tried to log into. In my case, it's this one. I'm going to tap on it. And now from here, I'm going to tap on Sync Account. After you've done that, at the very top right, tap on those three dots and try to hit Sync Now. See if going through the process of syncing everything will fix this error. If that doesn't fix the error, the next thing you're going to do is go back out of here and then tap on Remove Account. You can see removing this account will delete all of the contacts and data, and essentially you can always just bring it back just by logging back into that account. So you can hit the Remove Account button, and then are you sure? Just hit the OK button and remove it. After you've done that, the next thing that you can do is go back out of here to the very beginning. From the very beginning of your settings, let's tap on Google. And then you'll be able to see if I say Backup Now, I can tap on Manage Backup and tap on Backup Now. So try to go through the process of syncing that Google account, but also backing it up to see if that helps to fix it. Or if need be, of course, just go through the process of removing it. After you've done all of those things, I would highly recommend just pressing on holding that power or side button, and then just tapping on Restart to restart your Android phone, and then it should be working so that you can log back into that account and sync up everything.